Are you in Africa and tired of struggling to receive payments in USD, GBP or Euro from clients abroad? Imagine getting paid like someone living in the US or UK, legally, safely and without leaving your country. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to get a US, UK or Euro bank account in Africa, so you can receive international payments for your online work, freelancing, trading, AI jobs, YouTube or surveys without losing a single dollar in fees. And I will reveal a little known platform called Raenest that makes this process super easy and fast. So stay with me till the end, because I'm also going to show you the tricks to avoid common mistakes that can block your account or payments. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what steps to take today to start receiving USD, GBP and Euro from anywhere in the world straight into your African account. And without wasting time, let us start. The platform is called Raenest and it says receive and spend money globally, get paid from anywhere in global currencies, and do more with money, spend, earn, saving and invest. So before you create an account, over 1 million people love us. You will too hear of them yourself. So guys, it's a genuine platform. I've been using it for quite some time. Receive money, the reliable way to get paid. Get paid on time every time with accounts in USD, GBP or Euro, plus easy invoicing and payment links. So if you're in Africa and you're struggling to get paid in USD, Euro, you can just, another thing, they have virtual cards for every occasion, work, shop, travel. You decide on our virtual. Then cards give you the power with transparent pricing and global acceptance, whether it's Google, Canva, Zoom, AWS, Amazon, eBay. You can get yourself a card. Send money, fast money transfer. Sending money is now easier and more affordable with reasonable upfront transaction. So if you are in Africa and you're struggling, you can just create this one, Raenest for everyone, freelancers and creators, travelers. Also, I saw they are having services in the Philippines. So if you're in the Philippines, you can as well create your account. So while creating an account, you can choose between personal or business. If you create business, it will still work. If you create a personal one, it will still work. So once you go through everything, you click create an account. Once you create account, you will be able to create a USD account. This is my USD account. These are my bank details. So if I want domestic wire, SH, if it's international transfer, these are the details. Also, if you want to create a GBP account, you just need to come, and this is my Kenyan account. If you want to create a British pound account, now this is it. But for me right now, I don't usually work in the UK, so I don't have any payments from the UK. That's why I don't have an active UK account. But if you want, you can just click here. Your banking details will appear here. Receive money from people and businesses with your GBP account details. So if I have someone who wants to pay me from the UK, I just click get started, open GBP account. You will get a GBP bank account to receive British pounds. Your money is held in a licensed bank used for local bank transfers within the UK. Transfer usually take 5 minutes to 24 hours. Payments from unverified sources are not supported. 0.7% with a minimum of 1.5 euros. So if you want to create, you just click continue, then you will give them some few information, then you will get your account. Also, if you want to open a Euro bank account, you just do the same thing. Maybe you are in Europe or you want to get payments from your clients in Europe. Basically, you are going to get a US account, your country's account, a British pound account and a Euro account. Also, you can be able to send and convert currencies, also create invoice. So if you want to send money to someone, you can click here to add, then send to their accounts. Also, you'll be able to see all the recent transactions here and the money you have received from people. You'll be able to see transactions, your cards will appear here, payments, pay bills, invoices, accounts, rewards. Also, you can earn by referring to your friends. So I'm going to share my referral link. and invite you guys to create a US bank account. So I'll leave this link on the description below, so you can create your account, invite friends, and earn up to $152. Earn $152 through our referral program. Invite your friends and get $4 for each referral when they verify their account and meet the referral requirement. Guys, I hope you are going to create your account and receive payments from those countries. So the video was short. Till next time, thank you.